Hey, quick firmware update video for you today. I updated my Neo's firmware a few days ago. Before we talk about all the new stuff for the Neo with goggles, let's check out the cool features we both probably care about the most, including the one change to the recorded sound algorithm that you might not even know about, even if you've watched videos about the firmware update. With the firmware version on screen now, the Neo now allows vertical shooting in the DJI Fly app, making it perfect for social media. Now, while the maximum resolution is 1080p at 60 frames per second, it's still more than enough for social media content. You can actually just go in and re-edit the landscape footage yourself, but being able to shoot natively and reduce that step is going to help a lot of creators, and it helps you to do it in camera so you can focus on the framing too. Another neat feature that they've added is the ability to use your phone as a virtual controller in both vertical and horizontal modes now, allowing you to fly the drone with virtual joysticks. That will simplify things a lot and provide a much wider view of your filming too, which is really helpful. Another interesting feature is the ability to record audio directly through the app when using the DJI RCN2 or RCN3 remote controllers. Simply go into the settings and enable it. They've also added a noise reduction effect, making it sound more natural when capturing ambient noise, so you still get waves or other sounds all around you. This is a great idea and really interesting, so let's see how it works in practice.
Okay, what's this sound like? And we'll see if we're getting any sounds of the waves here. Okay, we should get some wave sounds here as well. I'll just carry on talking and we'll see how this sounds, particularly if I'm flying out here. We might get some plane sounds there as well. Okay, I've just altered the exposure as well. It's minus 1.0 EV. Let's come back towards me, and now this is with the pure noise reduction setting on. And we'll see how that sounds.
Now, here's the cool thing about this new natural sound feature. When you change it in the app, it looks like the setting persists when you use the drone in autonomous mode. Check this out and see what you think.
But yeah, this is how the voice sounds now. I did set it on the remote control to be the more natural sound setting, but I'm not sure if that clicks in when you're just working on autonomous mode and using the app. But we'll try the other way too.
Alright, back to the goggles. DJI's main thing was adding support for the N3 goggles. These new goggles are budget friendly and compatible with both the Neo and the Avatar. They've got head tracking, make tricks easier, and defogging's built in. You can even wear them over your glasses. I'm actually quite tempted, but I just don't have the budget right now and probably not a spotter to use it with too. Here's more news on the goggles. While it might have been a bit shaky in the past, particularly on windy days, you can now lock things down with rock-steady live stabilization. If you're new to FPV drone flying and found the movement nauseating, this should be helpful. The solution aims to reduce the problem, resulting in a more engaging and comfortable flight. Finally, they fine-tuned the positioning system and boosted the flight speed, which lots of people have been making videos about. I'm not certain about the exact speed increase, but any improvement is definitely welcome. These are some really new cool features for the Neo that I think lots of people will like. It's great that DJI is always improving their products, adding new things and fixing issues too. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it valuable. I'll see you in the next one.